Tata Motors, that's the other auto major, and that may have come under the scanner of the US stock market regulator, that is the SEC, for its exposure to the Iranian market. ET Now's Hamsini Amrita joins us now with exclusive details on this big story. Hamsini, what is the SEC looking at in Tata Motors?
Well, Department of SEC, namely that of Department of Global Security Risk, that has written to Tata Motors asking them for more information on the exports, particularly to the African and the Middle East regions. Well, a closer look at it does indicate that SEC actually wants Tata Motors to increase its disclosure to exports, particularly relating that to Iran. Well, basically this is in connection with the kind of disputes that are happening between Iran and US at this point in time, which could possibly be a trigger for SEC to go ahead and ask for more information on exports by Tata Motors. If you look at it right now, while Tata Motors is subsidiary, namely Tata Daewoo, a wholly owned subsidiary of Tata Motors, that has the maximum exposure to Iran at this point in time, but 20% of its exports come mainly from the Iranian territory, and if it has to be converted into rupee terms, it converts to about 600 crore of exports coming in from Iran for Tata Motors at this point in time.
Alright, 600 crores exports from the Iranian market. That's the material impact. But help us understand the significance of this inquiry, Hamsini. Is this a routine inquiry? What are you hearing from Tata Motors?
Well, Tata Motors did tell me that they did get a letter from SEC asking them for more clarity on exports to Africa and Middle East, and in fact Tata Motors has time till about end of next week to respond to this letter. When I got in touch with a couple of people at SEC, they told me that this is a routine interaction that happens between SEC and a company, particularly when they need more disclosure on operations that a company has with countries where US doesn't really have a very cordial relationship with. So this is more to do with that kind of a communication that's happened between Tata Motors and US SEC.